M-Series Agricultural UAV System Solutions. No upgrade, with 3 kinds of load models of 3,040 and 50 kg. Truss structure doubling structural strength, sturdy and durable. Type locking structure, firm and reliable. 80% better safety performance than traditional structure. Newly upgraded integrated flight control system with enhanced protection ensure the flight more stable. The spraying system adopts double-sided impeller pump with large flow rate. Can achieve 16 liters minute large flow. Equipped with thermometer sensor and liquid separation detection. More stable performance and more accurate accuracy. The interlayer water-cooled centrifugal nozzle has a minimum particle size of 30 microns. Bring users a new spraying experience. Fully autonomous operation. Intelligent route planning saves time and electricity. Significantly improve operational efficiency. Z-shape fast folding design. Easy handling and efficiency transfer.